So yung mock call guys is madalas nyo may encounter yan during interview and during training, no? So sa interview, madalas dyan is kayo yung magpapanggap na agent, of course, and syempre yung interviewer yung magpapanggap as a customer. So sa mock call guys, don't worry about sa mga product ng company na ina-apply nyo. Kasi understand naman nila yan na hindi nyo pa alam kung ano yung mga product na inire-represent nila. So just create your own. Sometimes, bibigyan kayo nila ng mga handouts, mga papel na kailangan nyo lang i-familiarize yung mga keywords, mga products na nandun sa papel na yon, and you have to formulate your own sentence para ma-explain nila or ma-deliver mo yon sa interviewer. No, don't memorize everything kasi kapag trinay mo na i-memorize yun, definitely mawawalan ka ng words in the middle of your conversation. So just familiarize the keywords, the product, and the important things on that paper na